feel good, you look great, I like you, I can't wait. A first time, a first date, you're so fine, I'm so late. You sip wine, I drink straight, don't waste time to my place. I feel my heart erase, so catch me if I fall.
Hi YouTube, I'm Jonah and thanks for joining us today's DIY. So if you're interested in a do-it-yourself project on your Mustang, take a look at my playlist right here. And I'm going for a little ride, and today is a little bit of sprinkle of rain, and take a look at my windshield. Very annoying. Sure looks like my wipers need replacement. Especially when the area is in your line of sight, it could get dangerous. And this will be the first time replacing its original wipers. So a quick measurement of the wipers tells me that the driver's side wipers are 22 inches. And the measurements of the passenger side wipers is 20 inches. I first went to Canadian Tire to think that I would save myself some money, but it turned out that the wipers didn't have the correct fittings, so I decided to return them. And I ended up going to our local Ford dealer where I bought the car to get the proper wipers. I just didn't want the hassle, because I know Ford Motorcraft would have the proper fittings. So this is the correct fitting right here for the Ecoboost Mustang. To install the fittings into the wiper, notice this triangular groove. Just take your fitting with a triangular template, line it up, push it down and slide to the left. And you hear that click? There you go. It's seated in properly. So to remove that fitting, just press the spot right over here, slide a little bit to the right and pull up. And there you go. It's that easy. Now let's remove the old wiper blades. Press the spot right here on both sides and push upward. Boom, there you go. You can even do it with one hand while holding a camera at the same time. Now install it to the arm of the wipers. Line up the bottom portion where it hooks like this. When you got them hooked together, just push up a little bit. It should hold in place. Notice the bottom part is hooked and held in place. Now this little tab has to be pushed in. The lock has to be pulled up at the same time. Okay, I'm going to need two hands to do this. So I'm going to position the camera and put it in a tripod so you can get a better look. With my left hand, I pull up on that portion of the lock, and with my right thumb, I push in the tab like so. And boom, there you go. Just double checking to make sure it's locked in and looks good. And the bottom part is hooked and locked in. It's good. Yeah, on the first rainfall, we don't want the wipers to fly off while you're driving. The car behind you will not be happy. Now we can remove our rubber blade protector by sliding it out like so. And gently placing it back on the windshield. Alright, let's take a look at the other wipers. Here's the correct fitting once again. These two other ones you will not need. Take out the fittings that it came with. You won't need this. Again, this is what I do. Press this button, pull slightly to the right, and pull up. Putting on the correct fitting. Slide it to the left and push down. Installing it to the arm. Hook and hold the bottom portion. Pull the top lock up while pushing in the tab at the same time. Check to make sure the fittings are seated properly, front and back. Looks good to me. Now let's test out the new wipers. Very nice. Looks good. We are ready for winter. So if you guys like my video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, comment, and subscribe.